खुशामदीद बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। चूँकि पढ़ान बैक्टीरियल रिप्रोडक्शन, बैक्टीरिया हम गसान दो किस्म रिप्रोडक्शन। अकिस asexual reproduction that takes place by binary fission as well as endospore formation. दोई मेथड पढ़ो आज इंशाल्लाह। मेथड वनान parasexual reproduction। I will write down parasexual, Parasexual, parasexual reproduction. अगर इस मीनिंग करो वर्ड्स, para वनान besides and दोयम पार्ट sexual. दोयम पार्ट sexual. Sexual reproduction गई सो रिप्रोडक्शन यथ मज चोर चीज गसान। नंबर 1, 2 पेरेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्वड। अत मज जो पेरेंट गसान इन्वॉल्व। अख बनावान मेल गैमीट, ब्याक बनावान फीमेल गैमीट। तम मतलब गो अत मज तेल गैमीट ते बनान। गैमीट्स आर फॉर्मड। गैमीट बनान तो गैमीट बनान थ्रू अ प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन यथ वनान मियासिस, MEIOSIS, मियासिस। यथ ब्याक नाव वनान रिडक्शनल डिवीजन। रिडक्शनल डिवीजन यथ मज क्रोमोसोम नंबर नेस्बा नेसफ गसान। गैमीट हेप्लॉइड। चोरम पे गैमीट गसान पान फ्यूज, तथ वनान फर्टिलाइजेशन। नम चोर चीज गसान इन केस ऑफ सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। मगर बैक्टीरिया मज न पेरेंट इन्वॉल्व गसान, न गैमीटी बनान, न मियासिस गसान, न फर्टिलाइजेशन गसान। मगर स्टिल देन नमन चोर हज आउटकम outcome of 4, that leads to genetic recombination. Genetic recombination यानी नई जीन कॉम्बिनेशन बनान। यम नई बैक्टीरिया आसान तिम आसानी पेरेंटिंग ही, तिम आसानी पतमेन ही। अत नई के कॉम्बिनेशन बनान ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन। Due to phenomena of genetic recombination, each in case of sexual reproduction and in case of अगर flowering plants या in case of animals कथ करो अत ब्याक नाव क्रॉसिंग ओवर तह। सो आल्सो कॉल्ड एज क्रॉसिंग ओवर। यह क्रॉसिंग ओवर गसान ड्यूरिंग मियासिस। यम सात मियाटिक साइकिल गसान, मियासिस गसान, रिडक्शनल फेज गसान, अतन क्रॉसिंग ओवर दैट लीड्स टू जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन। मगर बैक्टीरिया मज न गसान 4 फेज, मगर स्टिल देन दिस जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन occurs in case of bacteria. को नमो 4 वरय गसान जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन। नई बैक्टीरिया बनान यम हसा रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स तवे वनान पैरासेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन मीन्स जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन occurs और besides यम वरय कम वरय सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन वरय। एंड बैक्टीरिया मज गसान 3 किस्म जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन। बैक्टीरिया मज गसान 3 किस्म पैरासेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। गोडनुक टाइप निम बह तथ वनान ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अगर अत लफ्जी मीनिंग कड़ो यह गो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन्स conversion of one form, or we can say conversion of one type into another form, या another type. कुछ टाइप कत टाइपस मज कन्वर्ट गसान सो हम इंशाल्लाह ब्रोट कुन अम ब्रोट इस पको ब्रोट कुन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वाज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड बाय इंग्लिश माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट अम सुन नाव डॉक्टर त फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ अम कोर एक्सपेरिमेंट इन 1928 1928 मज फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ अकिस बैक्टीरिया पे काम करान बैक्टीरिया नाव स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस नमूनी PNEUMONIAE इस बैक्टीरिया सह बैक्टीरिया दैट causes pneumonia PNEUMONIA common मजन in animals and human beings animal and human being कर नमूनिया काज करान तो फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ अम न्यू पन बैक्टीरिया स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस नमूनी मगर एक्सपेरिमेंट अनिल कुछ न्योन माइस अमिस पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करान यह नमूनिया काज करान किन कहें फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ वनान मे हसा वुच जो किस्म बैक्टीरिया ये बैक्टीरिया मज मे हसा वुच जो टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया यमस वन स्ट्रेन्स बैक्टीरिया वन different types of strains or variants VARIENT variants even थोड़ा बहुत फर्क strains फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ वन मे जो टाइप ऑफ strains in case of Streptococcus pneumoniae जो strain कुछ हसा वुच मे स्मूथ टाइप ये नाव थवान S टाइप एस टाइपस क्या खास खुशियत सेल वाल नेबर कन फॉर एग्जाम्पल यह बैक्टीरिया अत नेबर कन ब्या कोट इस थिक कोट इस बनावान इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलीसैकेराइड कैप्सूल मे पन्नायो बैक्टीरियल सेल स्ट्रक्चर तब वो मे कैसन बैक्टीरियल सेलन विरुलेंट पैथोजेनिक तिमन सेल वाल नेबर कन नेबर कोटिंग आउटसाइड ब्या कोटिंग दैट कोटिंग कॉल्ड एज कैप्सूल सह पॉलीसैकेराइड कैप्सूल यमन बैक्टीरिया पॉलीसैकेराइड कैप्सूल बैक्टीरिया यूजुअली विरुलेंट and they cause pneumonia in animals and human beings. They are pathogenic due to presence of polysaccharide capsule. तब युथि यम बैक्टीरिया अंदर चाहे माइसस मज चाहे ह्यूमन बीइंगन मज या माइस मज पन डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म यम फाइगोसाइट्स PHAGOCYT फाइगोसाइट्स वन गई तिम सेल्स यम फॉरेन बॉडीज अंदर अचन फॉरेन बॉडी अंदर अचन तिमन एनगलप कर नेंगलावान थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइगोसाइटोसिस एनगलपिंग प्रोसेस एंड दोज बैक्टीरिया तिम बैक्टीरिया यमन नेबर कन पॉलीसैकेराइड कैप्सूल तिमन हेकान नम फाइगोसाइट्स पोड़ित कह तिमन हेकान नेंगलोत कहें दैट्स वाई यम अंदर गए रोजान करान मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड इन टर्न कॉज द डेथ ऑफ माइस by causing pneumonia. मगर वन मे ब्या स्ट्रेन बैक्टीरिया दैट इज रफ टाइप कॉल्ड एज लेखान यह गो R टाइप R टाइप नेबर कह रफ वाल ड्यू टू एब्सेंस ऑफ पॉलीसैकेराइड कैप्सूल तो दबो वन इत rough type. This rough type Federal grift wanan. You must avirulent. Because they don't have polysaccharide capsule and they can be easily engulfed by phagocytes through the process of phagocytosis and pneumonia cause death of mice. Magar this Federal grift wanan byak cheese too. Nam sumo type near against test tubes mazan. You must say it's called virulent oils. You must call polysaccharide capsule oils. Mess I knew against test tubes mazan. Like this. Metra against test tubes mazum. Patum thoda bunkin here human. And here this mayman or suprarenal or flame. Even as a polysaccharide capsule was. Yemen polysaccharide capsule was. So you must have one without polysaccharide capsule. You must have Khali Nebukin cell valley. The Archie now, you must have a hair killer S type bacteria. I put Tulanim hair killer S type bacteria, beach kara inject mice mazan. Ye zan khatra yeman chai virulence was a mujud kinkin. Yeman chow winter pathogenicity mujud kinkin. Im chow winter hakan pneumonia cause kinkin. I put chikaran inject hair killer S type bacteria mice mazan. Inject karan. After some time, situation mice problem gasan, and pneumonia gasan, no disease cause gasan. That's why the post hits has a moklio the polysaccharide capsule, atmogly and virulency, more non-virulent, or you can say avirulent. Magar ample cheap yakak cheese karan. That means that the post S type bacteria are virulent. When we inject them into mice, they cause the death of mice by causing pneumonia. Doim R type bacteria, they are avirulent. When inject them into mice, since they lack polysaccharide capsule, they are avirulent, they don't cause any type of pneumonia and the mice survives. Tremch, Hirkel S type bacteria, inject them into mice, since even though polysaccharide capsule was and in turn becomes avirulent and don't cause any type of disease. But in fourth experiment, he gets karan grift, it should allow zukusum. Should allow zukusum, it na Akasum pneumonia R type bacteria. Extestubus mazan. Rough type bacteria. Patches hair color S type bacteria and extract yet much ralavan. And you watch banana, it would have a important Lyo R type plus hair killer S type. Çünkü embryon hones ये चासा एविरुलेंट अगर इस अलग त्राओ ये चासा एविरुलेंट अगर अलग त्राओ अलग इंजेक्ट करो but if you have done my ralloy and them again inject them into mice ralloy it can lower syringes and inject them into mice after some days mice develop pneumonia and in turn cause the death of mice go you haran अगर ये अलग अलग त्रावान छु क्या कौन डिजीज काज करान ये को अलग त्रावान छु डिजीज गई काज डेथ ऑफ माइस को एंड एंकर ऑटोप्सी को पोस्टमार्टम he extract the blood of died mice and he found in addition to live R type bacteria he found some like live S type bacteria. He also found some live S type bacteria having polysaccharide capsule outside their cell wall. and because of presence of live S type bacteria, in bacteria bane pathogenic, virulent, and in turn cause the death of mice. According to transformation, this is one. This is a hair killer S type bacteria was, this extract was, I must custom cheese neran, use cheese, num sushan, num absorb karanch. Yem cheese live, sorry, this is R type bacteria. Bigger by repeat. This is hair killer S type bacteria. I must custom cheese neran, so cheese absorb karan live R type bacteria. Yem cheese sit, I'm gazan, at under change gazan, yem change sit R type bacteria, banawash never polysaccharide capsule. A capsule banai, live S type bacteria and in turn cause the death of mice. The later on you have discovered karna, I should DNA neran. DNA neran from Hitler S type bacteria, that DNA gets absorbed by the live R type bacteria and in turn gets expressed in the form of polysaccharide capsule and in turn cause the death of mice. Time matlab go, ye saw yemse DNA smosan, the I go you express. DNA will express in the form of particular character, and character formation of polysaccharide capsule, I capsule banawan and in turn causes the death of mice. This was about the transfer means R type bacteria, is called non-virulent, avirulent, they become virulent because of presence of DNA. That means it is a transformation, conversion of R type bacteria into S type bacteria. That's why it's called as transformation. One type. Doim type. Inshallah, umid छ मे तोय आसि थोड़ा बहुत समझ आमुज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किस पोछ गसान बैक्टीरिया मजन. Doim type number that's called as conjugation. Doim type छ one conjugation. Conjugation go is also a method of genetic recombination. Doim छ one conjugation. Conjugation. Conjugation go as much as transfer of DNA. Or we say transfer of genes. Gene ke chasan, it is a segment of DNA that in presence of other genes and particular environment express a particular character. Transfer of DNA from bacteria from one bacterium to another bacterium. Taran bees. Taran ke mazbak bridge banan, mazbak pull banan. That's called as through conjugation tube. That's one conjugation tube. Conjugation has I coordinate discovery. Coordinate wush. This is now Lederberg. And this is Biak Nafrasut, this is now Tatum. Tatum. Tatum in 1946. 1946. Now, if there is bacteria per com karan, bacteria now Salmonella typhi. Kiavana bad bacteria was base bacteria per com karan, that is Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus subtilis. Subtilis. चाहे वो ये बैक्टीरिया हो चाहे ये बैक्टीरिया हो दोनों ही बैक्टीरिया. Conjugation में क्या चुनाने? According to Lederberg and Tatum, again there are two types of bacteria. There are two compatible bacteria. One is a bacteria that is F positive. F positive with bacteria, which we are now analyzing male bacteria. F positive क्या गो चूंकि मैं पानो यह bacterial cell तब वोन में bacterial में in addition to nucleoid अच ब्याक आसान circular DNA extra nuclear DNA तथ वनान plasmid PLASMID plasmid. In how, for example, in our bacterial cell, the bacterial cell, each has one nuclear DNA. I mean, allow chasat biak DNA, extra nuclear DNA, that's called as plasmid, PLASMID. What one name is plasmid chasan. It can replicate independently of nuclear DNA. At pan replication nizam asan. The atmosphere genes asan like atmosphere F factors. Even as is F genes. Yeah, atmosphere R factors or you can say R genes. Yeah, put some cofactors. Cofactors. F factors क्या गई? We call them as fertility factors, fertility genes. R क्या हो? It is resistant genes. H में वन की याक. Due to presence of F factors का मतलब plasmids में ये bacteria बनन F positive bacteria. That means a male bacteria having fertility factor in their plasmid. Byak qismat F negative bacteria. F negative क्या हो? Action plasmidis maz asan F factor kihin tawach F negative. Tawach byak na asugo female bacteria. Due to absence of fertility factor in their plasmid. What happens in case of conjugation? F positive, F negative power suicide one. It now is. For example, it has F positive, yet much F factor. For example, it has F factor. F factor. Each pie yas photmosti yas yatmosti nuclear DNA. What happens during conjugation? Byak bacteria share each F negative. Then suppose you go F positive, yak F negative. Achini. Yet bacteria F factor asan chu in their plasmid. That's variant gene banan pillai we call them sex pillai in the form of protuberances. We call them as pillai or sex pillai. Each one of them bacteria and human F factor. And inside the bacteria she one, bag bacteria F negative, and inside she one pillai arc. And that pillai extends towards F negative in the form of tube-like structure, and that's called as conjugation tube. And in the contact gasanchu. Yet you touch your karan, I don't choose Zada karan, which can power akya, common was dissolve gasan, if she wants so it's it, must watch you a bridge up, that is called as conjugation tube. Conjugation tube. Package gasan come, you should pull out F factor, plasmid chasan, having F factor in their DNA, you should replicate at Zukai. And after she conjugation tube moist yet must transfer current. That means with the help of this F factor, this F negative now gets converted into F positive. F positive. And this conversion of female bacteria into male bacteria is known as sex reduction. Sex reduction. And chunki it is called this bacteria was without F factor, that means without F genes, go transfer of DNA, that means transfer of F genes from one bacteria, H pattern, to another bacteria, yet bacteria has through conjugation tube. That's what it's called as conjugation. So kun saat byak hak chीज नुकसान that's HFR HFR high frequency recombination. Taban kun saat gets gژھان کٲم یُس یہِ F factor چھُ آسان in case of F positive bacteria پنُن DNA چھُ آسان like this. یہِ چھُ یہِ F factor yet mod asan. That means F genes, it gets integrated with its nuclear DNA, resulting in the formation of a new structure that's called as episome. Episome. Ko yisav ye nom size sorry F factor yisav sorry yet mazan. It was episome. And the plasmid DNA gets integrated into its own DNA, resulting in the formation of episome. But she episome F factor that's optimized block now HFR. Yes, so go high frequency recombination because it has 1000 times more power of recombination, genetic recombination than in case of this one. F negative, F positive. Achhe saas gan zyada san kya genetic recombination karnu takat compared to F positive, F negative khotan. Baki is kom HFR cha asan HFR chu karan yes conjugation F negative sitin. F negative sitin. Magar chunki atmos F negative rosan biti F negative. Magar etke is kom yatmos chu etna hava. Yatmos chu like yields on chart plasmid DNA. Rayon yatstendi through conjugation tube. This is F negative. This is HFR. Mazba when you conjugation tube. What happens here? Cellular DNA breaks. And but she yapoi asan thoda bahut under in the form of a small segment. Tama each ware brief time was comes time was KC gene segment of DNA under asan basi stop gasan. Tamare chi yaad thaun ye chi yemi nuclear DNA your asan na ki ye plasmid DNA. That's why F negative still remains F negative because there is no insertion of F factor from HFR to F negative. I call it yemi DNA asan thoda bahut your बीच हाथ पानो DNA आसान ठीक है चूंकि इनमें आप थोड़ा बहुत कोशिश मिसाल आप चूंकि DNA आव नो याव पोसा के मिसेल चूंकि इसका कौम इच यदना पानो जीन सीक्वेंस रलान शो सोहन च अंदर आसान ये मज पानी बैक्टीरिया में आई में छोटी नेवर नेरान and the post इच नो न्यूक्लियर DNA बनो ये मज ये नो हन साइ ये में साइ even you recombinant type, and when it's expressed in the form of new type that is different from the parent type because it has some genes of the HFR bacteria which are new to this bacteria. Chunki em sav post never go and throw panjaimis and sun panjai. That means yemik genes are under and we try never because of it is same DNA sequences. This part yet is very zyada genetic recombination gasnuk power as compared to F positive, F negative. This was about the second type and third type. For inshallah, more kunat. This calls in ijazat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.